Hello my friends, Gene from Regular Guy Mountain Biking. Thanks so much for tuning into this video. I am back at Mountain Creek. Look at this. I am back, my friends. I'm back at Mountain Creek. It's going to be a killer season. Part of the reason why I'm back is because of this beautiful bike right here. This is a Jamis Hardline. I'll get a full review on it really soon. But one of the reasons why I haven't gotten a review up yet is because this bike is going to crush it for enduro, and I think the kind of trails I'm going to be riding over here at Creek. So I've really kind of been holding off on reviewing this bike until I got a chance to take it to Creek. So that's what I'm doing today. I am debuting this killer bike here at Mountain Creek. So enough with the intro, blah, blah, blah. Let's get on the trails and do a little bit of riding. Okay folks, first run in the books. It was a freaking blast, right? The Hardline, it was great. One of the things that was great about the bike is it was just popping off all the jumps, though the suspension still soaked up. The landing, it was pretty good because you guys know I had no skills and I usually scrub a lot of stuff. The best part about riding is, of course, making new friends. I don't know who he is yet. Who are you?
I'm George.
He's George. All right, this is George. Watch, this is me shaking George's hand. There we go. We're having a good time here at Creek. Creek is awesome for making friends. Mountain biking is awesome for making friends. So I'm going back up again. We'll give it another try. But so far, I'm having a blast on this bike. I'm having a blast being back at Creek. And look, let's get another run in. I'll catch you in a moment. Oh boy. Okay, my friends, that's going to do it for this day. Wow, I had a lot of fun being back here at Creek and on the bike. It's definitely been a long time. I can feel it in my legs, so I'm going to have to get back into shape. But look, real quick, like the Hardline, it really performed where I wanted it to be. I'd hit jumps and it would just spring off those jumps, and then you just felt it settle in on the other side. It was just a smooth, confident ride. I had a lot of fun, especially since I really haven't been doing this style of riding in a while. To get back into it, I was definitely a little nervous, but the Hardline took real good care of me. Anyway, there'll be a full review on the bike, right? You'll learn about what I like and what I don't like, and what I'll probably look into changing, because every bike you want to tweak to make your own. But all in all, it really was a killer day. So hey, look, let's get back into the videos over here. Gene from Regular Guy Mountain Biking. Keep the party on the pedals, my friends, and I'll catch you in the next video.